Yvonne here with a demo of my script for duplicating records. I've written many versions of the script, and this is one I'm going to demo for you. You can see that my base here has three tables: a clients table, projects, and components. If you look in the base schema, you can see clients are linked to projects and projects are linked to components. So there's two linked records for each project. I've got 4 different clients, 3 different projects, and 7 different components. Now, normally when you duplicate a record, everything in it is duplicated exactly, including the values in the linked records. So, for example, here, if I duplicate this record, this Amy is the same as this Amy, and these 3 linked records are the exact same things here. But sometimes that's not what you want. Sometimes when you duplicate a record, you want some of the linked records to also be duplicated, and that's what this script does. So let's go back. This script is available in my Gumroad store, and this script is a little bit different from my other scripts because this script is not designed to be edited. So here I have a scripting block. I can go here and I can paste it in, and what you will notice about this particular script is it's this minified text here, so it is not user editable. And then I hook up my button so that I can run the scripting. Excuse me. And now when I want to duplicate a record, I can click this button, and then it's going to guide me through a few steps. This says what the script does, gives a little bit of warnings like saying the script can't be used in automation. And here, the script will auto-detect how many linked record fields that there are. So there's components and clients. And now we need to pick how we're going to handle each of these. So for the components linked record field, it says that there are 3 linked records in there. And do we want duplicates of originals? Do we just want to link to the originals? Or do we want to make this blank with no linked records? For components, let's make duplicates of those. Okay? But for our client, let's keep this exact same client. So we'll say link to original. And now let's confirm that we want to create these records. Okay. So we can see here that it's created client as Amy is the exact same Amy that we had before. Notice there's still only one Amy here. But our components are new. These components, instead of being 1, 2, and 3, are now 8, 9, and 10. And we can see that they have been duplicated, 8, 9, and 10 here with all the same values for all the different fields, the same images, and these are linked to the project that was newly created. The script can also be run, in addition from being run from a button field, you can run it just from scripting app itself with this button, and it will automatically detect which table you're in, but you will still have to select record itself. So if I click run, it notices that I'm going to be in the clients table, and now it says that I need to pick a record to duplicate. So let's say I want to duplicate Meg, and it notices that there's only one linked record here, and I'm going to say let's duplicate the original records and continue. So it's here. It's going to have, this is a new Meg. Let's make this Meg 2 here so that you can see that this is different. And notice that the project now is Meg 2, which is down here. But it's not created that third away link. So these are still the original ones. So this particular script will not duplicate deeply nested links. Okay. Or say, for example, you want to try it again and say, I want to duplicate this from Amy. Continue. but I don't actually want to have a client. Say I want to have the exact same components in it. So let's link to those original, but I want my client to be blanked. So we'll have no link records there. And create. So you can see here the client is blank, but it's got those same original 1, 2, 3 for my components. There you go.